Hey, I just wanted to show up and say that I've been spending a few weeks here on the coast. It's been incredible time here. And yeah, if you are one of those people who loves nature, who loves freedom, who loves, being independent and just doing what you feel like, then this channel is definitely for you. And for those who already know me, I just wanted to show up and say that I'm spending quite a lot of time here now, a few weeks already. So it's an incredible place in the Far East and the Pacific. I've kind of lost the time and the feeling of the civilization here completely. My hair looks very funny after I took a bath. I was swimming in this ocean just a few minutes ago before I started to walk up. Sometimes I just like, going up like this without taking a car, just enjoying this beautiful nature, just like that. And for all of you around the world, I wish you all the best, all the freedom, that you can just enjoy life the way you want, just like I do. Most of the time, I must admit, I feel really lucky having the freedoms. But this is what I build in my life consciously. This is not which is coming, just like that. You really need to focus on what you want to have in life. Yeah, you really have to start living the life the way you want, and you definitely deserve it. So if this is something that resonates with you, make sure you join this channel, subscribe. Give this video a like if you liked it, and I really hope to see you again. Leave me, a comment, say hello. Let me know how you feel and what are your goals in life. What is that you would love to build for you? And I will see you in the next video if you subscribe. So all the best.